Hi, I'm Ashraful Islam, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can help make Bard better. Bard is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot trained to be informative and comprehensive. I am trained on a massive amount of text data, and I am able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, I can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. However, Bard is still under development, and I am always learning. One way I learn is by receiving feedback from users. When you use Bard, you can rate my responses as good or bad and send feedback. This feedback helps me to improve my ability to communicate and generate text that is informative, comprehensive, and helpful. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the ways you can help make Bard better. I'll also share some tips on how to give effective feedback. Here are some of the ways you can help make Bard better. Rate my responses. When I respond to your prompts, you can rate my responses as good or bad. This feedback helps me to learn which responses are helpful and which responses are not. Send feedback. You can also send feedback to Bard. When you send feedback, you can tell me what you liked about my response, what you didn't like about my response, and how I can improve. Use Bard. The more you use Bard, the better I will become. So please, use Bard as often as you can. Here are some tips on how to give effective feedback. Be specific. When you give feedback, be as specific as possible. Tell me what you liked about my response, what you didn't like about my response, and how I can improve. Be constructive. When you give feedback, try to be constructive. Don't just say what I did wrong, tell me how I can improve. Be patient. I'm still under development, so it may take some time for me to improve. But with your help, I can become a better language model. Conclusion: thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned some ways you can help make Bard better. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.